part 3 of the bio. Yeah, stuff. Okay, let's do this. Leroy. Destroy. Okay, let's just do this. Oh, this big bullet. Okay, oh, he's dead. Oh, nice. We got him, boys. We got him. Okay, hello. Hello, Benjamin. You want to be friends? Yeah, okay, you do. Okay, nice. Let's go. Where are these? Oh, wait. No, we didn't win. Okay, we got 3 red players. I'm fast as frick, boy. Yep, that's what I thought. Okay, I think you're gone, basically. I killed poop emoji, devil emoji. Okay, whatever. Boop a doo boop a doo 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 doo. Do 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 do. Pentashot. I didn't think Pentashot was that good, but I guess Pentashot is pretty good. Okay. Oh, hello. Oof. Okay, you're dead. I just wrecked your butt. Okay, hello. Who is this? The whole team is after you. You can't escape. The whole team is after you. You think you can escape? I don't think so. Let's get him, team. Get him, team. Yeah. No one can beat the beasts. No one can defeat the most epicest team in this game. Blue is the most epicest team in this particular. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Get out of here. You're not teaming. Our team is too strong for you. Dude. Okay, you could just get out of here. Well, even me by myself, I could still kill, so I don't really need those people. But I kind of want team as well. So, yeah. Okay, who is this? Get out of here! Okay, let's play a different thing. Let's play Poltergeist. Oh my god, that guy's big. Dude, oh shoot! Get out of here! Yeah. No. The whole team's after you. What are you gonna do? No. Oh wait, did he die? This guy is actually escaping right now. Team? Okay, you're dead. Wait, where did he go? Okay, well. Okay, I guess we're doing flank guard. And then we're gonna do this strategy again. Bro, really? Okay, bye.